Colorful Cute Kids.
Hi friends, welcome to the Colorful Cute Kids channel. Today, we're going to draw and color a fun picture, Peppa Pig Plays with Friends. Peppa is joined by Suzy Sheep, Rebecca Rabbit, and Zuzu Zebra. Let's start with Zuzu Zebra. First, I draw her head, then her to cute ears and big round eyes. Next, I draw her little nose and her happy, smiling mouth. Zuzu is holding a cup of tea, so I draw that too. Then I draw her body just like this. Now, next to Zuzu, I draw Suzy Sheep. I begin with her head and then add her sweet face, just like this. Oh, don't forget Susie's cup of tea. And right here, I'll draw another cup of tea. Whose cup could this be? Let's keep going. I draw a table for them to sit around, just like this. Next, it's time to draw Rebecca Rabbit. She has long, floppy ears, so I start with those, then her lovely face. After that, I draw her body, and of course, Rebecca is holding her own cup of tea too. Finally, we have Peppa Pig. I begin with her little piggy nose, then add her 2 ears and her cheerful face. Peppa is smiling so brightly because she loves playing with her friends. I also draw Peppa holding a teapot, ready to pour more tea. How's your drawing coming along? Are you keeping up? Now, I'll use a black marker to make the drawing stand out more. Once that's done, it's time to color. First, I color Zuzu's zebra stripes black. Her dress is dark purple. And her shoes are dark green. Her cup of tea, I color it yellow. For Suzy Sheep, I paint her dress light pink and her cup of tea green. Peppa's skin is light pink, and her dress is bright red. I color her teapot dark pink. Rebecca's dress is green, her shoes are dark pink, and her cup of tea is red. Finally, the table is sky blue, making the whole picture come together. Amazing job! If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. We'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.